Hey guys, I wanted to film a really flirty romantic look that's perfect for date night or any time using the products from this month's glam bag. As you guys know, I'm an Ipsy creator, so let's jump into it. So today we're starting off with the skin, and I want a really nice smooth radiant base, so I'm taking this serum from number 7, and then I am going to take a little bit of this water cream from Sunday Riley, and actually if you use this twice a day, it's going to help to reduce the dark spots on your skin, which is great. So this primer is from Origins. It's a Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer, and I love this because it does exactly what it says it does. Perfects the pores, cools the skin, smoothing that all over. Next, I'll be applying this Herbal Lip Balm from HEMPZ. It's supposed to hydrate and condition your lips, which is perfect since I'll be applying a matte lipstick later on. I'm filling in my brows with this Bobbi Brown brow pencil in Mahogany. I love the dry formula. It really helps to adhere to my skin so that way it doesn't smear or rub all over the place all day. I have a few straight hairs, so I'm taking these rose gold slanted tweezers from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. These are 100% stainless steel. And then I'm taking some of my favorite concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm using the shade Macadamia all over my lid, under my brow to clean up the shape, and also to create a really nice smooth base for my eyeshadows. I really want the eyeshadows to pop. And then I'm going to set that and color correct with this banana setting powder in medium from BELLAPIERRE Cosmetics. And this is actually 100% natural minerals also, but it's yellow based, so it's really great for correcting redness, especially on the face. Then I'm taking this taupe shade from the Jeremy Scott MAC collab. It's the Lo-Fi palette, and this is really great for bringing shape to my eyes. So I'm applying this to the crease with this brush from Glamour Dolls. It's the Romantic Rose blending brush, and it's really great for just blending out the edges and making everything look nice and soft. Get a nice wash of color. So I'm taking this vibrant fuchsia pink and this red, coral red shade, and I'm going to start patting this with a Laura Mercier blending brush. Patting that just on the outer area, and then I'm going to start blending that inwards onto the crease, and then just making sure that I have a nice clean brush to clean up any edges, making sure that everything looks nice and soft. So really just getting a nice vivid wash of color. Then I'm taking this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Alkaline. It's this beautiful burgundy eyeliner, and I'm just creating a very subtle wing at the end to lift the corner of the eyes. Then I'm taking an eyeshadow from Luna by Luna Cosmetics. It's in the shade Selene. This is going on the inner corners because this shade is just so creamy and beautiful. So then I'm going underneath my eyes now with this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, but this is in the shade Sucre du Jour. It's very yellow and very close to my skin color, so I'm correcting any sort of darkness before I apply my foundation. And then for foundation, I'm taking NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation. This is in the shade Valencia. I love this stuff. It's so good. Such a great amount of coverage, but it feels really nice and lightweight. So I'm taking a fluffy brush from Tarte to really kind of buff that in and fluff out any excess product because I don't want the skin to be too heavy. And then to highlight, I'm taking Macadamia in the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's the lighter shade I had on my lids, but I really love this to highlight the high points of my face. And then I'm setting this all into place with that banana powder, just a very nice light coating of it. And then going back in with the pink and red and a fluffy brush and just lightly sweeping this underneath my eye to create symmetry and to join everything together. And then in my waterline, I'm taking Alkaline again. I like that it's not a black, it's not too dark, but it definitely adds a bit of depth without looking like a bloody eye or something. So I'm taking this Bobbi Brown mascara. I'll leave the info down below. And I'm just applying this very generously to my lashes. And then for bronzer, I'm taking this one from PAULA DORF. It's Bora Bora, and I like it because it just blends really nicely and seamlessly into my skin. And then for blush, I'm taking this one called Chameleon by Ofra Cosmetics, and this one's just going to give my skin a nice natural flush. So for lip, we're going Vamp. This is the SMASHBOX Cosmetics Always On Lipstick, and it's in the shade Misconduct. I did one thin layer first. Look how beautiful. And then I'm going to build up the opacity around the edges and the inner part of the lip to create an ombre effect. and then just making sure that everything's smoothed out and blended. And then from hair, I'm taking this leave-in conditioning spray by Briogeo and just spraying this to make sure my hair stays moisturized, and then setting my makeup into place, and that is it. So here is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I love you all so much, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!